Hi, welcome back to Hostbox CH channel and back to the Python series. Today we are going to see how to work with set. Set is one of the data structure, it's immutable. We can change it as a immutable with the help of frozen set also. We see how can we create a today we are going to show demo in the Python 3.8 how to create a dictionary and how to add an element and how can I do some of the operations like handling the operations like union, intersection, clear, copy, and find the length of a set like that. So set is one of the data structures supported by Python, and there is no order. Whenever you give the elements, it not be in order, it may be in any order. So we have to use the curly brackets here. So I'm going to create a set called f is equal, create some fruit name. I'm going to give fruits names. I'm going to give here. So f is equal to, I'm giving just single quotation apple, then comma, I'm going to give then orange, comma, banana, banana, single quotation only, banana, then close brackets, curly bracket, closing curly bracket, enter. Then I can give f and check whether the elements whether elements in the set or not. So just giving f and check printing the values. So print the value banana, apple, orange. I already told you set means it's a one of data structure where there is no order. By default it will print in any order. Maybe it's not a sorting or it's not unsorting, but it will print all the elements. Now the above set f, I have to add the new element. So I have to give f dot add method, f dot add of some fruit name at add. So I'm give like this one. So I'm giving to you pineapple like this. I'm giving single quotation and close bracket, just check it here. Yeah, now I can give f to cross verify the values here. So it will print it. So we have updated, that means we created the we inserted the new element called pineapple in the fruit set f. Okay, this is a way of creating and add the element to the fruit above set in the Python concept. Now we come to the frozen set. Frozen set means what is a set where it will come to the category of immutable. That means once created we can't change. For example, I am going to create a is equal to one frozen set of frozen set, the bracket we had to use square bracket only. So I am going to create some name, colors red, comma, green, single quotation and square bracket. Everything should be careful, otherwise we'll get the traceback error. So a is equal to, I am giving the frozen set, I give the spelling mistake here, frozen set keyword spelling is okay. Frozen set of red green in the a set. Just give enter. I just giving a, it will showing the information that is red and green. Now you want to add the about set. I have to add some new color, add of blue like that. So I can give like this, blue, then close bracket and enter. Yeah, we get error. Okay, because I told you frozen set is a one where once you confirmed the set we can do it. This is a way of using the frozen set. Once if you created the frozen set means you can't change any element, but in a set you can do anything. You can insert, remove and do all operations like that. Okay, now we see the another very small example is the case of numbering. So understand the set operations one by one. So we'll see now we are going to create a set one called s1, where s1 is equal to, I'm going to give the numbers like 89, 7, 1, 2. Just give 4 numbers and enter and check. I can give the verify the printing variables here, s1, and check the elements created 89, 2, 1, 7. So like this I'm going to create another set called s2 is equal to, where I'm going to give the name like that 8, 1, 7, 90. So I am creating another set here, say is s2, and give enter. So now I can give s2 and check whether printing variables or not. So we created successfully set 1 and set 2. So now I can do the some of the operations one by one. Now the first operation I'm going to do the union. So if you want to make union operation, we give the pipe symbol. So just I can give S1. Is this I already told set is a concept developed by mathematics only. So S1 pipe symbol S2. So it will print the all the elements here. You can see here what are the elements in the S1 and what are the elements in the S2. This is a way of using the union operation in the set operations. Then we can go like this. We can use set 1 and intersection again set 1 and S2. Just give S1 and S2 and what happen? Say 1 comma 7 is based on the S1. So 1 and 7 is the common element based on S1 and comparing with the S2. So it will print the if when you give S1 and S2 intersection operation to display intersection of 1 comma 7 like this. A way of using the intersection in the set Python programming or Python script. Now we can check now one more option called here clear. So I want to clear S2 element. So what are the elements of S2? I can give S2 dot clear off. It's of the one of the operation. Just you can give like this. So now I can give S2 and check whether it become empty set. So this is a way of clear. Now we go for add option, add operation. There's a one of the in the S1. For example, in the S1 I want to add some element S1 dot add of. I want just add 8. It's not available. So I can give add and check it here. So and I can print S1. This is the way. So we successfully added the element 8 in the set S1. So like this add operation. Now I can do remove operation. So I can give remove keyword, remove a function. So I can give S1 dot remove of particularly which element I want to remove. I can for example I want to remove 89. So I can give 89 and enter here. It was error. Okay, what happened here? So I give close bracket here. Yes, enter. So I can give S1 and verify. Okay, this is a way of removing the element in the set operation, set concept. Now we can go and check the membership operation. Membership operation, if you want membership operation, it will use the keyword in the any set. So I am going to check. So now I am to check the value 34 in the above set or not. I am giving 34 space in 34 in the set name called S1. So it will give automatically false because the 34 element not out in the S1. Similarly, I can check S7. So 7 in the set name called S1. Enter. It say true because S1 element is available in the 7 element as S1. Like this you can do remove operation, add operation and membership operation. So like this you can do the another. Then we can do you want find the length of the set. You can give length operation. So I can give len of the function called len of which set you want. You can give because S2 we cleared everything. So I'm just to give len of S1 and going to enter here. Here to display the 4 because the above S1 we have only 4 elements. Like then you can do the length operation. Length, find the length or size of the set what are the set available in the Python script like that. You created and you can check like this. So like this you can go copy. So you can use a set keyword or copy command. So now I am going to create a new set called S3. S3 is equal to I want to copy all elements from S1. So I am going to give S1 dot copy of method. S1 dot copy. So like this I can give. So S3 is equal to S1. That means we are going to create a new element as well as the copy the elements from S1 to the S3. Just give enter and you can print the elements with the help of print or S3 statement. Just give the S3 and enter. So successfully with the help of copy method all the elements copied to the S3. So like this you can do number of operations in the set concept. I am again repeating, it's one of the data structure mutable, that means changeable, and it may it will avoid the duplicate elements automatically. If you give 2 times any element, it will automatically automatically cancel and give the what are the elements is available. No repetition. Okay, these are the points about the set, how to use set in the Python like that. Please subscribe and press bell button for more updates. Thank you.